Welcome everyone, Robert with Granville here to show you how to change your smoke detector battery today. First thing you're going to need, a step ladder to reach the smoke detector. And then the only other item you're going to need, a new 9-volt battery. Now the first thing we're going to do is set up the step ladder directly below the smoke detector. This brand in particular is the First Alert carbon monoxide combination smoke detector that you would find in your hallways. It's got a slide out tray right here that houses the battery. That tips out. Be wary of where the positive and negative is. We'll match it right up. Slide in the new battery. Close up the tray. Once you've installed the battery, there'll be a test button right next to that so you can test out the smoke detector and make sure it's working properly.